your favorite position?
I almost beat it up. Didn't show you my lashes. Look at my lashes.
This girl's about to put a belly ring on her tongue ring.
Oh, what's up, guys? New day, new vlog. Your girl is trying to put this video up for you guys today because I was supposed to drop it last night, but I didn't. We're here at the mall. CeCe's about to finish my nails. Just like I told you guys, I was going to show you guys in this vlog my nails done. Huh? I forgot about that. What, my nails? So, yeah. Guys, we're at the boys' new house. Chilling in the backyard. Gotta order food. I don't know what she wants to eat. She's right here. But the boys said that motherfucking big one. Got a big ass crib, no lie. What is really goddamn? I'm about to roll up. I'm about to wake my nigga up tomorrow. Like he do me. He gonna be so tight. Wait, did I tell him we ordered Chick-fil-A? We ordered Chick-fil-A. Angry. Regret got. Oh, what you feeling now? Mad cause you ain't like me. Oh, you mad cause nobody ever did. Never. Okay. I did, yes. Alright guys, it's a new day. I didn't even show you my nails, but look at my nails. CeCe did them. Yesterday we was at the boys' house. My nigga and my sister's nigga is best friends, and me and CeCe's best friend, so this works out perfect. But I'm back home. We got a new picture to put up. Isn't that picture so cute? I might change these pictures because I want all my house to be like vibey, LED lights, cool shit like that. So we shall see. But I didn't tell you guys. Well, if you're in my Discord, you know, because my Discord girls know first. So make sure you guys join my Discord down below. My Chanelli with the belly is sick, bro. We woke up from a nap and she just started puking. Her gums turned white, so then I was like, oh no. We gotta go to the vet. So we went to the vet. They're saying she ate something, but I literally watched my dog. Like, I don't even play like that after the last situation happened. So she's so sick, she don't wanna, like, she don't get up unless I pick her up. You know when I tell her bye-byes and she starts running in a circle? No. Look at her. Say hi, mama. It's okay, you're strong. You got this. You got this, mamas. I feel so bad. It's really my heart. That's why I can't have kids, bro. Hi, say hi. I got her food right here. I made her rice with chicken. And then earlier I was giving her hot dogs because I was waiting for the chicken to get here. She likes the hot dogs. She ain't trying to eat the chicken or the rice. But I literally got to feed her. And look, I literally got to put water in her mouth. I feel so bad. I don't know what happened. What did I do? Here, mamita. See, she's eating it, but she won't eat it out the bowl. I think the bowl is too much. Let me see if she's going to eat rice. She don't really like rice. See, she ain't feeling that. She want the meat. But when she gets sick and I feed her boiled chicken with rice, that's when she starts feeling better. So, yeah, girl cost the arm and a leg, like, again. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. I'm about to hang up that picture. Oh, I'm making mozzarella sticks. I don't want them to burn. But, yeah, bitch, welcome to a new vlog. We lit. Make sure you like this video, and I'm going to talk to you guys while I'm eating my mozzarella sticks. For my mozzarella sticks. Watching my girl C. Got CeCe on the phone. Belly. Hi, mommy. She's looking like, girl, can I have some? She's not going to even eat this because she's sick. I knew she was sick, guys, yesterday, by the way. Oh, my God, I got red sauce everywhere and on my camera. I knew she was sick because I gave her a piece of steak and my girl wasn't trying to eat it. That's how I knew something was off. I think she's feeling better a little bit. Alright, let me clean my camera because I just put sauce all over it.
This meal was a 10. I'm not gonna cap. We were ate good all day. Thank you, God. But yeah, I would say the sandwich is my favorite meal though. And then this, the second, and then the little tacos are third place. But I'm about to sit and watch some TV. Damn, I'm hyped for this shit. Damn, I'm hyped for this shit. Okay, guys.
Trying to make my girl eat some
I'm
rice.
trade shows you gotten because like I'm literally addicted to trade shows. I love. So quickly,
Hey, princess.
I bought this from Target. It is a ghost. It's the ghost, the brown ghost. I love that.
My girl's only eating the meat.
It's a flavor. The flavor. They have a flavor. Lemon flavor. Nutter butter. I have to pick this up. This is $30. It has 26 grams of proteins, and it's 160 calories. And I finally got me.
She's still having the bowl finally. It's been a minute.
To make smoothies. And
My
you know,
girl's
since I got me a blender, I had to go pick up some errands. Don't mind how.
Guys, I almost fell asleep on the couch. I'm waiting for the plug. Oh, I'm peeing. But I'm waiting for the plug right now. Because your girl don't have bud. I didn't have bud for like 3 days. But I was with my boo. So it didn't really matter. But I still like having my own bud to roll up. Even when I'm with him. Because I don't like to keep being like, babe, roll up. Look at my FaceTime, mad cute. But CeCe's about to come here and do my lashes. I'm about to take a quick little shower. Walk Chanel. CeCe gonna do my lashes. And I'm about to be brand new when I come back. Guys, I almost beat it up. Hold on. I got you sitting on my blanket. I almost beat it up. Didn't show you my lashes. Look at my lashes. Back in the game, boo. But cheers, boo. I'm watching Gina Janine, by the way. That's my motherfucking girl. She don't know about me, but soon she will.
I got out of the store yesterday. I might be late to the party, and these are already something viral on TikTok. Y'all know I only watch TikTok for travel stuff. So anyway, y'all know that those shots that I had.
Remember how I told you guys I was waiting on the plug? Why the plug never came? Good thing I saved the blunt for times like this.
I showed them first to y'all when I was in Honduras, and I told you guys how amazing they taste. So I went in specs yesterday. I was like, do you have like the big thing of that? Which they did. I'm going to show you guys. They do. So I bought this one right here. It's butter pecan. And then of course I bought some. This is right next to it. So I bought it. Some rum chata.
My mama love rum chata.
Cheers, bitches. Anyways, what I was saying was they have cherries, mangoes, and peaches. So I got these. The guy we were just like laughing and joking. I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to have my best friend come over and we're gonna try these together. He was like, what you do? He said, make like a fruit cocktail, like a fruit bowl for you, a fruit bowl for her, and put these in there, and then she doesn't know what she's eating, and then she's gonna be drunk, and then y'all are really gonna have fun.
Yo, that's a good idea.
And I'm like, no, that sounds like some shit off of a movie.
Oh.
I'm not gonna
Hi,
be
mommy.
without knowing.
Hi.
But anyway, yeah, I want to try this.
I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I literally just opened my curtains. What time is it? I've been up, but I was just in bed. Oh, it's 1:19. Your girl just walked Chanel, open my curtains, and then I remember to pick you up. Period, because we in this together, boo. So, let me open my blinds. Every time I start recording, I get out of breath. I don't know why. But today, I got 3 clients today, but 2 of the clients is like my friends. It's her and her sister. Oh, Pack touched down at like 9 a.m. Pack did touch down. I do got it. Your girl's about to cook some motherfucking breakfast. I know you hear my toaster oven already going. Your niece is eating. Thank God. Thank God. That's a strong ass bitch right there. No cap. But yeah, thanks to all the girls who was in the Discord and sent my dog prayers. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, we about to make eggs. Well, I'm about to make 1 egg with an English muffin. English muffin with some cream cheese on top. So I'm about to cook this because that's boring. I don't know if you guys want to see that. And we're going to eat it together and chop it up, boo. Okay, guys, so this is my breakfast. Chanel's ass is getting comfortable over there with her. That's literally her spot. But I just realized it's 1:30. I need to hurry up because my client is coming for 2 p.m. and then my girls is coming after. And then I gotta go to T-Mobile because my phone, every time somebody calls me, it says call failed. Like it hangs up on both the people and then I have to wait a minute to call them back and that's not annoying. It's been like that for like a month too, so. Yeah, let me eat this breakfast because I forgot I'm in a time crunch. And I'm gonna talk to you babies when I'm done with lashes. Make sure you eat something so you can get your body going. Guys, I just finished. My girl was here chilling with me. We were smoking, getting high. You know the vibes. But now CeCe's here. And I'm starving, guys. I'm literally starving. Go tell CeCe to cook for your sister.
This bitch hasn't even talked to me all day. We literally be on the phone together all day or with each other all day. And this bitch was MIA.
Bro, I wasn't MIA.
So
I
now
was doing
she's
lashes. I was doing lashes and then my friend came. But I was still texting CeCe.
No,
But I didn't know my friend was staying. That's the thing. I didn't know my friend was staying. But after Ben told CeCe pull up, she didn't want to.
It was just me instead.
But I'm making some beans right now. You know, them beans take like 2 hours to cook. Not even an hour.
You want to go to my house?
Want me to bring my pan of beans to your house?
Yeah, and I guess I'll cook.
Let's go. Wait, look, I ate this. These don't be hitting. I don't know why.
You're lucky I
Maybe
took
because
them
it's
out
from-
to the bitch.
Maybe because it's from Dollar Tree.
Get the
But-
oil.
It's still alright. Let me get the oil because I'm being told what to do.
She was supposed to borrow my oil
I did.
and never gave it back.
I just gave it
I
back,
got
boo.
your plate, your bowl, and
Remind me when we go there so I
Yeah,
can
I'm
take it
gonna
off.
give you a
Oh, wait, you got something too here. Oh, you got 2 things here. She got this here. Can I actually have this?
I have mad fucking cups. They don't even fit.
And then here's your plastic. Oh,
Just
wait.
keep it.
Let me shut this pan
I
off.
have too many. That
Wait.
fit up there.
So should we not even cook these beans because these beans is gonna take mad long to cook? We can cook the beans you
Well, I
got.
gotta cook the rice. I gotta cook the meat. I gotta cook. Yeah, that's really it.
So we can do those beans. I don't care. It's just gonna take a little bit longer to cook.
I don't care. Whatever you wanna do.
Let's just leave this here. Let me just season this water before my beans taste like nothing while it sits here while I'm cooking at CeCe's.
I hate it here.
Why? I don't know about her, but I'm about to get cooked for, so I love it here. I'm gonna talk to you guys when CeCe's done cooking for me. Guys, I'm at CeCe's house. My ponytail is literally in a knot.
You're a nigga.
Wait, dudes can't even hurt females no more. Him, you a hoe. Yup, a nasty one. Let me see.
Just told me the biggest one time.
Anyways, I'm hungry. Look at my niece. She wanna get out the cage. She sees her
She tries to get out.
cousin. Yeah, look, Chanel waiting. But we about to get shit cracking. Your girl is starving like Marvin.
You gotta be a girl.
Yeah. But watch and see the food. We're making the same noise. She's like, for the first couple, look what she's doing. Oh, we're mid-conversation, but I need you guys to see this. But she said the first couple days of her having that bed, it didn't make noise. I don't like meat, but I'm kind of excited for it. Hey! I'm excited for these Chipotle bowls. Hey, girl. Beretta.
Down!
You gotta yell at her to get down. We're not really mad at her. Look at my dog checking everything out.
This is just disrespectful at this point.
Beretta! She's telling CeCe to give her some water. Oh.
Now get down. Go. Because you had a whole bowl this morning. Go. Go to your bed.
Come here, Beretta.
She could have done
Sit.
something. You keep calling her.
Sit. Wait, I gotta show my girls that she knows how to sit and give paw. Sit. Paw. Ooh,
Lay
mama.
down.
Sit. Paw. Good girl, paw. This is a paw right here, Chanel. Learn something.
Sure, don't fucking know.
Yeah, learn something. Sit. Sit down, Chanel. Good girl. Paw. Paw.
Brother's like, I'll help.
Right. But CeCe need to hurry up and get girls.
Girls.
Oh my god, this lipstick does got my lips looking mad white.
What lip gloss you put on?
That pink shit that I be using with my
I told you.
thing. It looks cute with my thing.
The lip liner, yeah.
But I don't got it on. But I just fixed my hair. And I'm back in the motherfucking game. Let me show you what CeCe's doing. If I tell a bitch to pull up, she won't moped it.
Chipotle, I hope basically. Rice.
How you making these beans, mama?
No, my chipotle.
Bro, I'm gonna let CeCe rock today.
I told her to stay out the damn kitchen.
I'm gonna let her rock today.
Yeah. Rice.
I don't look like there's any seasoning in my beans.
Steak.
I'm hungry though. Let's go in our cabinet.
Lettuce.
Because we about to roll up, so make sure you're rolling up.
Yeah. Chipotle at home.
Is this salmon in here?
Yeah, one piece for me, mama.
Bitch, who said I wanted some?
Stephanie's the salmon bandit.
CeCe's trying to act like I go to people's house stealing their salmon. Nah,
CeCe.
CeCe.
On my shit?
Nah, CeCe, remember when Ralphie went to a house party? And
Salmon bandit.
and with went to a house party, and when he seen one of the niggas stealing somebody's steak from whoever's house it was.
No way.
That's mad funny, nigga. No cap. But I'm about to roll up. I'm about to smoke some because I want to get high. I can't wait to eat though. You see, if the rice pan is covered like
I'm gonna
that,
choke on this shit at night.
if the rice is covered, that means it's about to be done. Yum.
You get what I'm saying?
Bitch, can you cook my food?
It's cooking out.
Damn. You got your man hungry over here. Fuck. I'm about to lose all the weight I gained.
All day today. I ain't hear from this bitch all day.
Bro, I was working. What is this?
She was chilling on her friend.
Bro, I told you to pull up.
She said be on the phone.
I told you to pull up. How many times I told you to pull up?
I didn't want.
Alright, next time I'm gonna just FaceTime you.
Yeah.
It was just
FaceTime all day.
it was just too much commotion, mama.
Guys, I'm trying to talk to both of y'all. We was on FaceTime all.
She's on live and doing
we
her
on FaceTime
camera.
all day. This shit's looking, I was about to lift my shit.
Wait, I'm trying to put you guys somewhere. Shit, I
We
should
be
have
on
brought my phone.
FaceTime all fucking day, me and Steph, literally. Or if we're not on FaceTime, we're together, literally. I swear to God. Steph lives across the street from me.
Don't be telling people where I live. Don't be telling people where I live. Is my nigga on your life?
No. This bitch didn't fucking call me all fucking day and she didn't even see me.
Bro, my first client was at 2 p.m. All day. We was on the phone before my client, wasn't?
And then I didn't talk to the bitch till 7:30, nigga. That's crazy.
I told her to pull up, guys.
Cause she fucking lost my brother.
Oh yeah. Yo, that was such a bad look. That was this girl's kid though. My brother would not go that far.
That was.
Yo, used to.
Brother, go to your bed. But yeah, this bitch fake.
Huh?
She don't talk to me all motherfucking day. But
Can you focus on my food?
bro, it's fine.
I gotta make sure.
I'm the one cooking. Stay at the counter.
Shut up!
Say something.
I thought she was gonna bite my dog.
I
I think she likes Chanel being feisty.
Brother, go to your bed. No,
She wants
Brother's gonna get mad after a while. They're gonna fight.
What's your suit? Oh, maybe Chanel don't feel good right now.
Okay, yeah. Go on Paige, go.
Alright, go lay down, Chanel.
Go.
I forgot my dog's still sick, but she was just on a spree today.
Brother, I'ma whoop the fuck out of this bitch right now.
What happened? She
I
shit?
gotta end this.
She shit?
No, she ain't shit.
What she did?
She fucking pissed.
Oh. CeCe's about to be.
And I got no paper towel.
You know what you're gonna have to do? A shirt you don't want no more to absorb it up. Damn, bitch, you was going crazy on Instacart. Why didn't you buy some fucking paper towel, ho? Oh, the food! Mahaka!
The fucking food's fine.
Mahaka, the food, bro.
Bro, it's on my fucking... Oh. What the fuck is this?
It's okay. When you get the cleaner, the rug cleaner for your room, you can clean that one too.
This is disrespectful as fuck.
Yeah, this is Beretta. You knew she had to go outside.
I know.
So it's not really her fault, it's really your fault.
Do you think I want to hear that right now?
I'm not gonna tell you what you want to
It's
hear.
all under the. Oh my god, I just don't know.
You just don't know what to do?
I don't know. It's everywhere.
You better go get a couple more. Just get a towel to throw away. That's what I said. So you can just absorb all that shit and spray it with it. Do you need me to watch something?
No.
Alright guys, you see it live. Reporting live from CeCe's house. What time is it? Because I need to drop this video.
8:20.
Oh, I got a lot of clips to put in here and shit. Fuck. My girls don't care though. As long as I drop, they fucking with it. And that's what we gonna
You're a
keep doing,
bad
is
fucking
dropping.
girl. You're done. Excuse me, you two.
Yeah, CeCe got her mom's voice on, but that's just not even scaring me, so I don't know.
Shut the fuck up.
Try better. Your dog got a smile on her face.
Shut the fuck she don't.
She don't think you're
Don't
upset.
get your niece whooped.
She don't think you're upset.
The fuck is this? Look, I just put it.
Oh, poor thing.
My rug. That's all I care about. I wouldn't mind if it was on the fucking floor, but my rug, Greta. My fucking rug. And now I'm short a towel.
Cause your dog. I'm like, what you want? Let me FaceTime my nigga because I haven't talked to him all day.
Okay, try not to get me in the background.
I'm not.
What you really want from a nigga?
What these bitches want from a nigga? Oh, hell no. No, my nigga's not like that. He's gonna call me back. That nigga know better. Now I'm gonna have to stay on.
10 likes and I'll put this in Steph's face.
Bitch, those is my shorts, hoe? This fucking bitch. You got scissors? Yo, CeCe walked over to the pan. She said, "Not you shaking it like that." I need to go check the rice because I don't want soggy rice.
No, don't come over here checking up and Stephanie. It's fine. Can you help me?
Bitch, you just told me don't go over there touching on. Now you want help? This fucking shit touches me, I'ma scream. Ew, that towel was ugly as fuck.
It was from fucking Clearwater because we didn't bring nothing.
Cheddar, you done fucked up. Oh, fuck it.
Oh, did they take the trash away? They definitely took the trash away.
Yeah, I think I seen him outside.
It was
when we
out
was-
early, right?
Yeah, we was outside screaming for Jovi. We swore somebody stole Jovi. His ass was all the way on the other side of the apartment complex. Like, what you doing, bro?
Hot.
If I tell a bitch to pull up, she gon' motherfucking pet it. Alright, I'm lighting this for my bitches. Then I'm gonna give you guys a good old mukbang. Hot fuck. Oh, it's coming out. Ew, this bitch is pushing in and out her ring.
Fuck you.
Yeah, get on her ass now. Who's she talking to like that? CeCe, it's not gonna close.
I hope not.
Is it like, you know how like your belly ring, it's like a straight hole? Is this literally like it slides right through? Does it slide right through? Ooh.
It goes like your nipple. That's how it goes.
Oh, baby, I didn't switch my nipple ring, so I don't know how that feels. That shit hurt. Oh, I used to in the shower actually. Let me find out.
I feel like a fucking mom.
Let me find out I got sold some reds.
Some caca. Now I gotta wash your blanket. I gotta just. But I'm disappointed.
Yeah. I don't know if it's the grabo or the weed. Maybe I put too much grabo. Hold on. Oh yeah,
What
it's
you
good.
really want from a nigga?
It's good. I was about to say, boy.
Fucker. I wonder if my belly ring will fit on it. The ball for now, for tomorrow.
So what happened? This girl's about to put a belly ring on her tongue ring. It's bizarre.
It's so huge.
Oh, we at 10 minutes.
Guys, I had to end it. First, I'm pissed on my damn floor. But that's my fault. She
Light one.
She need to go out. And I ain't taking it out.
Guys, I'm kind of nauseous because I'm hungry. Tell this whole to hurry up. Can they see me? Come here so you can put Smoke Sesh in your title. Bring it. Oh, fuck it. Give me that damn butter.
I put butter in
Whoa,
this.
this is so close. Yeah, butter and then pepper and salt. Hey guys. Hey guys, it's your girl CeCe Marine. We're back at it again with another vlog. So today we are about to...
If you thought that was me,
You thought I was feeling you?
that nigga much. Guys,
CeCe
you think
a
we're
munch.
twins? Everybody swears we're twins, like literally. No, you guys are no, we're not fucking twins. I just said we're not twins.
CeCe is a munch.
We're gonna tell everybody we're twins now.
CeCe is a munch.
I'm a simp. Steph is too. Do not let Steph fool
Bro, I don't know
you.
if I'm feeling this weed and I'm gonna get really upset. No cap, because I got a whole O. I'd be like, this shit is trash. Oh, guys, I got 2 cameras on me. This camera's huge. It's kind of making me nervous how big it is. Put that in your
How
clips in
long
the
you
beginning.
put?
Like a minute. How long did you put?
I think a minute.
It's done?
Yeah. Bro, I have so
Ooh.
much dishes to wash already just for today.
Huh?
I'm gonna make your plate, okay?
Make it really big.
Sure. Oh, I gotta keep this up too.
La da da CeCe made Chipotle bowl.
You want water?
Of course. I'm thirsty over here. You see me? See these people? You need to make my bitch hit 600. Matter of fact, fuck 600. She need to hit 100 already. So make sure you guys subscribe. Don't be watching her videos not subscribe. That's some op shit. If you fuck with my girl, fuck with her the long way. Okay? And hold on, this is for you too, guys. Might as well subscribe now, boo, because next year when we lit and everybody fucking with us, you gonna wish you subscribed from the jump.
Join my Discord!
And join her Discord, boo.
I'm gonna put it on the
join
screen.
mine, my people. Join hers and lock in like what you doing. But I'm about to put my blunt out.
My
Guys.
girl eat slow.
Guys, you're about to see my plate and you're about to see a mukbang, so buckle up, hoes. Guys, CeCe did her motherfucking big one. We got everything in this bitch. Holy Chipotle. You know I got the Tostitos because, yeah. I got the camera on me. I just posted, look. Tell me that don't look smacking. Make sure you follow me on the gram. Oh, that's my business page. This page right here.
Follow that one too.
Steph Skrilla. Hello. But we about to pray and I'm about to come back and we're about to do a mukbang. Oh, actually, huh?
Mukbang, bang, bang.
Actually, I don't even need to end this. Real niggas do real shit and I know my bitches want to see the real vibe. I ain't about to cut nothing out. Hold on, let me sit on my regular legs. Did you throw me some more legs?
Yeah.
Come on, I'm about to pray without you.
Damn, can I make my plate, you hungry bitch?
I'm hungry. Oh, it's already 8:30? What the Days just be... Oh, boo-boo, your camera's dying, boo-boo.
Of course it is.
You better pull out your other phone. Or on the iPad, whatever you edit your videos on, get the camera out. Use that so you don't have to, like, send shit.
I use it on my iPad.
You better turn that iPad sideways. Hold on, guys. I need some more lettuce.
Yeah.
I'm literally a lettuce fiend. So just mind your business because it don't need to be cute anymore. Oh, good thing you can't see it, but my bitches can. CeCe, look at my plate. I just need a lettuce tower, and I'm about to eat it all. Yeah. Yeah. You.
Not TikTok me. I'm about to do it.
Well, I don't want your camera to die, Mom. My dog's growling at the toy, bro.
Okay.
Send me your favorite song. Where's that from?
I have no clue. I forget.
Ooh, that looks so good. Don't forget your camera, mama, because it's mad. Yous are really. Look, I'm reaching for yous. You got me zoomed in or something? Ooh. Oh yeah, you did have me zoomed in. Ooh, I like that tripod. CeCe just sliding that shit down and shit. Hey! Make sure my bitch is in this one.
I don't know where my phone's at.
Oh, we gotta pray first.
God is good.
God is great. Let us thank us for our food. Amen. Scrubba-dubba-dub. Thanks for God. Amen.
I already know this shit good, so.
Damn, bitch.
Did you tag me?
Yeah, look at that. CeCe needs some more lettuce, bro. Yeah, don't even post your plate. Just post mine.
Why am I so crazy?
Bro, it looks watery.
It's because. Okay.
Your nigga's gonna see it because I reposted that shit. I mean, I tagged you in it. Oh, my nigga want corn. What time I called them out? 8:24. Oh, what's this in my hair?
My phone's tripping.
Hi, babe. That's phone died. Just so he don't think I hung up because of that. Because it clicked. It literally clicked like it hung up. And I gotta go back and edit that shit.
Make sure my camera dying and shit.
Fucking us all up and shit.
Guys,
Text
that was
him.
wonderful.
Food is amazing. CeCe? Just her big one. Just her phone died. CeCe, her mother got some big one.
This is the phone clap.
Mind you, I was on a phone call, so I didn't touch this yet. Well, I did touch it, but. I forgot I made your camera that close. Trying to move over a little. Ouch. But yeah, if you want Chipotle at home, just book CeCe for your book CeCe for your chef. How much you charging?
$800 a day.
Wait, what do you mean a day, bro?
A meal.
So you're gonna drive to their house and everything? How much is it gonna serve?
2 people. 2 people.
You just made all that. That serves like 3. But 800?
If they don't like that my price, they're gonna go elsewhere.
On a serious note, though, I tried to order a chef that was an hour away. I think it was because it was an hour away, and I wanted lamb chops and mac and cheese.
When?
And when I was fucking with that nigga.
Where?
No, I was out here. Nigga told me 800 for real. For lamb chops, though. That's them buying the food and everything. Lamb chops, mac and cheese, and I forgot something else. It was some other good shit.
That's a lot, though.
Oh, I'm so expensive.
Babe, your water's blocking me in your pan. You should go.
You don't always make this for me, no? CeCe makes it all together. Hold on.
I like a lot of queso on my shit. Me and queso go together real bad. Okay.
All these bitches want to fuck CeCe. Do you want to get drunk, bro? No? We both ain't getting our...
It's heavy as fuck.
So what? We both ain't gonna have a nigga.
And I get my lips done tomorrow.
So you can't do? Damn. I thought she was gonna say yeah.
If I wasn't, but your mother already blocked it off and I don't want to hear it. My lips gonna be bruised.
Can I right back?
No, that's like a night.
Call her. Just real quick, I'm just gonna say good night to her.
You give it to me. What the fuck is this? This nigga's phone's on silent.
Look, tell all good night.
Good night, JJ.
Good night, princess girl. Don't cry, mama. It's okay, okay? It's okay, princess. Sweet dreams. Babe, shut up. Put her back on the
You're
phone.
tired. Go to sleep. You're tired.
All right, let me talk to her. Wait, baby. Good night, princess. Good night, mama. Sweet dreams, okay? You watching Mickey Mouse? Okay, baby. Go to sleep, okay? Babe. Baby.
No, ain't no none of that. I'm not trying to do that, so I'm not finna do. That's what I asked. If she wants to be a crybaby, she
Ew.
gonna be a crybaby. She finna watch that and go to sleep.
You're a dick, babe.
Ow. Sam, what that was?
I'm about to call you from my phone, though, babe.
Alright.
Bye. Nigga said, alright. After this mukbang, no! Damn,
My
where's the
camera
phone?
flat.
You better get your iPad.
No, it's okay.
But anyways, like I was saying. Yeah, oh wait, I got a few questions for CeCe.
What?
My phone. Hold on, I gotta turn my phone back on. Oh, I got caught red-handed on here. It's all
You know
good.
that, right?
Hell yeah. I got spicy ass questions for CeCe, so
I didn't even agree to this shit.
you gotta always have questions ready for somebody, just in case we do a mukbang or something. Stop being a rookie. You heard?
Yeah.
Who you texting?
My nigga.
Alright, let me see. Alright, ready? Q&A with CeCe. Name your worst body.
Bitch.
This is 2% question, so.
So why don't you just wait? So I can drink water.
Whatever. Alright.
I'll put that one for mine though. We can do that one for mine. When we're drinking alcohol.
Yeah, bitch, I'm gonna do that one with mine too.
Okay. Sheesh.
What's your favorite
We finna be
position?
fucked up.
What's your favorite position?
I like missionary. Or from the side.
Yeah, from the side.
From the side with your leg up. When they like, I don't know how to explain it. Yeah.
Damn. These are some messy questions, but these is really for a truth or dare. I mean, truth or dare. Who's your fakest friend out of your whole life?
Natasha.
Why?
No. Not Natasha.
Natasha, if you're seeing this, you're a fake hoe. You gotta say why. So whoever it is, let us know why.
I can't even say Natasha because I forgot why the fuck we stopped being friends. I don't know. Who's the Gianna. And bitch, I owe you an ass whooping. So if you're watching
What about
this,
Jenna?
me and Jenna kind of talked already. And
Not
it
us
was
just
a
naming bitches'
misunderstanding.
names.
But yeah, Gianna, your ass. I got an ass whooping for you, bitch.
The ass whooping is crazy.
Yeah, for sure. Calling the fucking cops is nuts, bitch.
Wait, what? Calling the cops. Oh, calling the cops. I didn't.
Her mom went to mom's house.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like what?
Do you have questions for me?
No, because I want to see. I want to see.
Alright, so give me different ones.
Okay. Who was your favorite nigga? I mean, you can't say the one you got now.
Alright. Who was my favorite nigga before the one I got now? Bet. Do I say his name, bro?
Yeah.
Jamel. There you go. Just because. Fuck that nigga. But just because the guy, I learned life, but like, damn, sorry, CeCe.
I
But
saw folks. That one. Go ahead.
he showed me like life, like 50 bands, Lambos, all that shit. Now I don't settle for less, so that's why.
Okay. Ew.
Do 2 more.
I'm thinking.
Take your time.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a big ass shit. All this queso.
Me too. You went queso crazy, not gonna lie.
Who gave the best head?
Who?
I
My
know
nigga.
that. No, not including your nigga.
Oh, damn. Oh,
I know who.
who? Drew.
Oh.
Who? Oh shit! I forgot about him. Fuck. Oh, and the other one too.
Nah.
Damn. Gabe.
Go crazy.
Nah, Drew. Sorry, you gave the best. The other ones I had to like really focus.
Okay. Name all the niggas that ate your ass. Good exposure.
Can I drink to this? Cause
No.
you didn't. Bitch, you ain't want to drink to your. I mean, you didn't want to answer your who's your worst
Breast. Real bad. No.
All right, bet.
So name them.
All right. Drew, Porter, Macho.
Now we're fucking with 2 machos.
My nigga. Who else did I fuck?
How about this? You got.
Well, I didn't fuck all these niggas. They probably just ate my ass.
Oh, they ate your ass. I forgot that's what we was doing.
Damn, bitch. Who else? Who else ate my ass before? CJ. Who else, bitch? I think that's it. Just asking. Hey. I don't like it though. CeCe's a freak hoe. She like it.
Nobody ate my ass. You know I don't play like that.
I be playing like that. No, I don't.
I do not even play like that.
Alright guys, I'm about to end this video right here. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys like this video, girl. And you guys are gonna see me tomorrow in my next video. Mwah.